Hey all, Wild here, and in today's video, I want to bring to you a quick update that happened to Twitch that you probably missed about their Twitch channel reward points, about how they added some new interactive ones, plus a little small update depending on how many people are in your channel. So let's get started right after this. Looking to upgrade the production value within your stream? Look no further than Owned.tv. From overlays to alerts to stinger transitions to emotes, Own3D has got you covered from beginner to professional. Simply find a graphic or design that fits your style and flair for your stream, and before you purchase, you can see how it will look with their interactive showcase. It's time you became bigger and better by heading over to Owned.tv by clicking in the links below. Welcome back, all you awesome people. Twitch made an update to their Twitch channel reward points that you probably missed or haven't revisited since they first released it to your channel, which is okay. Let me show you everything you may have missed, plus a small update. Now, if you're not sure how to get to your Twitch channel reward points, let me show you how. To get to your Twitch channel reward points, all I need to do is go to the top right corner and click on Creative Dashboard. Go to the top left corner where it says Stream Manager, and go down to Community, and at the bottom you will see Channel Points. When the Channel Points page loads, go down to Manage Rewards. If this is your first time here, you may be prompted with a new window, but if you're not, all you need to do is visit the collection, which has all the new channel rewards underneath it. Under this reward section, you're more or less gonna see 3 new categories, where it's got game related, IRL, and Twitch related. Under the game related, you have hero requests. Choose which hero to play with. Name generator, you get to name a character, item, or town in game. Drop it, make me drop my weapon. Reverse, play with a controller or keyboard in a different orientation, up, down for 5 minutes, anything like that. Blindfold gameplay, play a game for 10 minutes blindfolded. Pick a game for me, choose which game I should play next. Let's duel, have a one-on-one battle. And VOD review your VOD and give pointers on how to improve. Hey, looks like they took a suggestion from me. Under IRL, you will find Hydrate, make you take a sip of water, posture check, straighten up, make me dab, give yourself a nice little dab in there, make me do push-ups or sit-ups, do 10 push-ups or sit-ups, shout out, write a name and give a shout out to that person, give treats to your pets, karaoke time to sing a song and dance off and let you shake that booty. Under Twitch related, you will see timeout, emote only chat, suggest a poll for you and your community, add time where you can run an ad, add a command, timeout somebody else for 5 minutes, and guide a raid. Suggest someone that you can raid at the end of your stream. Now, of course, some of these are cooler than others, and some might situate your stream where some might just be totally lame. Pick and choose which ones are obviously best for you. Now, there has also been an addition that Twitch made to its overall channel points. When you go to the channel points main page and scroll down, you'll see a new tab that says Manage Smart Cost. When you click on this, you will see Smart Costs will automatically adjust your default reward costs based on the size of your audience and the redemption rate for your rewards. Now everything can be more fluid within your stream, which is actually a really cool addition. I think it's pretty cool that Twitch gave you some more awesome options out there if you're not really good or creative of thinking of channel rewards for your community. So go back and revisit this page and add the ones that you think would be best for you and your community. Now, if you are creative and you want to add some custom ones, hey, guess what? You can do that. If you need a little help, gonna put a video over here to the side that shows you how to do it from scratch. I recommend checking that video out right after the end of this one. And until next time, all you beautiful people, have fun, stay safe, have fun streaming, and of course, peace.